Art influences all areas of curriculum. Develop your students' understanding of art with How to Teach Art to Children. This beautiful full-color art book gives children memorable art experiences. This instructional art book includes 96 projects with step-by-step directions, materials list, words to know, literature references, fine art examples, and downloadable PDFs of artwork. Part 1 of this resource teaches students the 7 elements of art with simple and engaging art projects. Part 2 teaches students how famous artists use the 7 elements of art. Students also study and review ancient and cultural art techniques. The easy-to-do art lessons provide background information on the artist and culture, and visuals for each type of art element. How to Teach Art to Children is designed to increase children's awareness of different kinds of art and offer a wide range of experiences. How to Teach Art to Children is designed for students in grades 1 through 6.